Hey everybody, it's Sam the Backwoods Mommy Crafter. Yeah, I'm not normally this way. It's still bright here. So, guess what came? My looms. Here they are. Now, they look like nifty knitters, but they're not. They're knockoffs. Because, nifty knitters were a lot thicker many years ago. So what comes in here? You've got your 4 looms, like nifty knitters, which is fine. Instructions, which I never use them. Your smaller pegs, your normal loom pegs, straw for the wrapping, which I think is pretty cool because every other one never came with one, and I still haven't bought the boy one, which I need to, and a travel cage, a travel bag. So, I like the bag. We're going to hang on to the bag. We're just going to shove it in a safe drawer and get a drink water because I'm thirsty. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Just wanted to make sure there's nothing funny floating in the water. Okay. Let's start off with the flip. See how easy to put these pegs, how easy it is to put these pegs on. Now these are every other, so that's like a normal. Wish me luck. If this fits, I'll be amazed. Oh, it fits. Oh. This does not. Oh, here it is. I put it in wrong. Wow. These are tough to turn. Okay. So every other. They go in really tight. I like that. Last year I bought a Martha Stewart loom. I didn't like it. Because all the pegs wouldn't fit in there nice and snug. These are. Well, I can't wait to make the video tomorrow. I'm super excited now. I have no idea what I'm making. But I'm making something. They fit in there so nice. The ones I'm probably going to use the most are the blue, the yellow. I am either going to design. Hold on. These are tough. Wow, they're wiggly, but they're not easy to get out. I mean, they're wiggly, but my infinity loom wiggles more. I was in the middle of saying something and then I couldn't get my finger to do what I wanted it to. This one, because I want to make socks. Winter is coming, no matter how much I want to avoid it. It is coming. Okay, get in the hole. Gotta be careful. They're a little flimsy, so it's like I don't want to break them. Now, if I were to leave this would be the normal, like a nifty knitter.
Am I pissing you off, Papa?
Sorry. My phone is going off again. Oh! There we go. These things are tough. I'd rather have them tough going in than easy coming out, to be honest with you. There. Get on. So, I will put a link in the description box for this video where I got the looms. These are not the UK looms, the UK knit looms. I wasn't paying $50 for shipping when I could just find knockoffs on Amazon. I'm not all about authentic looms. I'm just about functional looms. Ooh, 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 where'd it go? I haven't had a blue one yet. Oh! It comes with a darning needle, too. Cool. As if I don't have 1,000 more of those already. You lose 7, you find 20 when you clean. Me tinks me have some extra. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save on the pink. And fill in everywhere else. It's got the anchor peg, which I like. Ooh, I like this spacing. It's gonna have to wait. Oh, unless it's my daughter. Oh, it's not. Not important. It can be ignored. Ugh, ouch. Come on, get in there. I'm almost halfway around. I'm quite impressed. I haven't used it yet. Get in. Oh, that's tough. I want to see the spacing in this bad boy. Huh. It's about 1/4 of an inch. Good. That's what I wanted. I needed something smaller. I use cheap yarn. Worst of weight, Super Saver. I'm not spending loads of money. Often on expensive yarn. Because it's just not in my budget. I mean, yes. I did make a nice, soft, cozy, what's it called? The Burnett blanket. Actually, I have 2. One I knitted hand, one that was Infinity Loom. Okay. So the first one's not done, but I'll put the others on later. I just want to get all of them done. So, to regards of the consistency of the pegs, this stuff is tough. I mean, yeah, they're a little wiggly, but what? They're cheap. I got the whole thing for 25 bucks, so it's like, could you stop, please? So it's really no big surprise. This is how I size my loom, the hats for the looms. If my head fits, it works, because this is too big. Yes, it would fit my ponytail, but this one fits me better. So, that's it. I think that's it for the video. I'll do more of a review when I make something tomorrow with a tutorial. But so far, yeah, I can't complain. If there is anything, I will start up another one and let you know how that goes. But I think you've seen enough of me playing with pegs. Although, I will say, it's not as strong as a Nifty Knitter, but they're the same color and, you know, same spacing. If I really wanted to take them out, I could, but I don't want to. I'm gonna do this. So I will see you in the next video.